sign up, then you can do the login with the same credential, and this will be home screen. And here we will be add multiple fruits and vegetables as per the data set. As of now, there are three. We'll add more. Okay, as per data set, as we train the model, accordingly we'll add. Okay, and there will be one AI engine. Okay, so in the AI engine, you will be able to upload an image and able to submit it. Once you submit, it will make the prediction, and based on prediction, it will identify the supplements. Ki what are types of disease leaf having, and based on leaf disease, it will suggest you ki what supplement you should take, and is the disease good bad, or what precaution prevention we should take. Will show that in particular UI. Okay, this basically this is the basic UI. Okay, will future once you confirm, then we'll do the more modification. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.